Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance troubles into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the Frigidaire Range F30 Error code from 2025. If your oven is flashing that pesky F30 and refusing to heat up properly, don't panic. We've got you covered. This error typically signals an issue with the oven's temperature sensor or control board, which can disrupt your cooking routine. Let's get straight to it. First off, safety is key. Before you do anything, make sure to unplug your Frigidaire range or turn off the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical mishaps. Once that's done, grab a flashlight and inspect the wiring connected to the oven sensor. Over time, wires can loosen or get damaged, especially if your appliance is a few years old like the 2025 models. If you spot any loose connections, carefully secure them back in place. Next, try resetting the unit. Sometimes, a simple reboot works wonders. Plug it back in, wait a few minutes, and power it on. If the F30 error persists, you might need to test the temperature sensor itself. This involves using a multimeter to check for continuity. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Set your multimeter to the ohms setting and touch the probes to the sensor's terminals. A reading between 1000 and 1100 ohms at room temperature is normal. If it's way off, the sensor is likely faulty and needs replacement. Replacing the sensor isn't too tough if you're handy. You can find affordable parts online or at your local appliance store. Just remove the old one by unscrewing it from the oven's back panel and install the new one. Remember, if you're not comfortable with this, call a professional to avoid voiding your warranty or causing more damage. In summary, the F30 error on your Frigidaire range is often a quick fix with some basic troubleshooting. Always double-check your work and test the oven before use. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.